Write uppercase letters A to Z with Olivia.
Hello, my wonderful friends. It's Olivia, and today we are going to learn how to write uppercase letters from A to Z. Uppercase letters are also called capital letters. We use them at the beginning of names, sentences, and special words. Get your pencil ready. Get your paper ready. We will write each letter together. Let's begin.
Letter A.
Let's write the letter A. Start at the top. Draw a slanted line down. Go back to the top. Draw another slanted line down. Now draw a line across the middle. That's uppercase A. Let's write it again. A is for apple. A is for airplane. A is for arm. Great job!
Letter B.
Start at the top. Draw a straight line down. Go back to the top. Make a big curve. Now make another big curve. That's B. B is for ball. B is for banana. B is for bird. Wonderful!
Letter C.
Start at the top. Make a big curve around. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cake. Nice writing.
Letter D.
Draw a straight line down. Go back to the top. Make a big curve. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for door. Great!
Letter E.
Draw a line down. Draw a line at the top. Draw a line in the middle. Draw a line at the bottom. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for eye.
Letter F.
Line down. Line at the top. Line in the middle. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for flower.
Letter G.
Make a big curve. Add a small line. G is for goat. G is for gift. G is for girl.
Letter H.
Line down. Line down. Line across. H is for hat. H is for house. H is for hand.
Letter I.
Line down. Line at the top. Line at the bottom. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for insect.
Letter J.
Line down. Curve at the bottom. J is for juice. J is for jar. J is for jump.
Letter K.
Line down. Line slant down. Line slant down. K is for kite. K is for key. K is for kangaroo.
Letter L.
Line down. Line across. L is for lion. L is for leaf. L is for leg.
Letter M.
Line down. Slant down. Slant down. Line down. M is for moon. M is for milk. M is for mouse.
Letter N.
Line down. Slant down. Line down. N is for nose. N is for nest. N is for net.
Letter O.
Make a big circle. O is for orange. O is for octopus. O is for owl.
Letter P.
Line down. Curve at the top. P is for pig. P is for pen. P is for pizza.
Letter Q.
Make a circle. Add a small line. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q is for question.
Letter R.
Line down. Curve. Slant down. R is for rabbit. R is for rain. R is for robot.
Letter S.
Make a curve. S is for sun. S is for snake. S is for star.
Letter T.
Line down. Line across. T is for tree. T is for turtle. T is for table.
Letter U.
Curve down and up. U is for umbrella. U is for up. U is for under.
Letter V.
Slant down. Slant up. V is for van. V is for vest. V is for violin.
Letter W.
Down, up. Down, up. Down, up. Down, up. W is for water. W is for whale. W is for window.
Letter X.
Slant down. Slant down the other way. X is for box. X is for fox. X is for X-ray.
Letter Y.
Slant down. Slant down. Line down. Y is for yellow. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yarn.
Letter Z.
Line across. Slant down. Line across. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zip. You did an amazing job today. You wrote all the uppercase letters from A to Z. I am so proud of you. Keep practicing every day. See you next time in Olivia's Learning Corner.